Good morning, everybody. I'm Teresa Perrin, and this is my stock market watch list for Thursday, January 26th, 2023. Please remember that nothing I say is financial advice and always do your own DD. At time of recording, futures are looking green. So hopefully we'll be off to a good stay. Crypto did have a massive push up in the after hours, followed by a pullback. So I'm looking to see if that continues today. If it does, be sure to keep an eye on crypto mining stocks. As well as Tesla having earnings, I think you're going to see a huge move to the upside in a lot of these EV plays. They seem to be running in the after hours, and I expect continuation. As well as American Airlines had earnings this morning that absolutely crushed expectations, exceeded them by a mile. And I believe you're going to see a run, not just in American Airlines, but in other airlines as well. And if you want to just play the airline factor as a whole, as I normally do, I play the ETF JETS, JETS. So keep that on your radar today. All right, guys, let's get into it. If you could, smash that like button for me as it helps with the algorithms, and I would greatly appreciate it. Also, comment below what your favorite ticker is today on your watch list, and it doesn't have to be something in this video. Thank you. All right, everybody. Obviously, my number one watch today is Hellbiz, and if you didn't see my video last night because I accidentally put the wrong cover on it, but I have fixed that. Sorry, I was extremely tired last night. But anyways, if you haven't seen it, I suggest you watch it. I believe that everything that happened yesterday was just psychological. There is no doubt about it. They need shares. Now, a quick thing that I will update people on tonight, but consider putting a sell order, one that your broker will take if it would go through, and make it obviously higher than what you really want to sell for, but one that just is in there because there is rumor that stops them from lending out your shares. And if that's the case, it's worth a shot, guys. All right, Lucid, LCID. I firmly believe that this play, and I've been saying this for a while if you follow me, is going to continue to rocket to the upside with Tesla earnings. Expect the continuation. It was moving in the after hours last night. It broke through 9, which I was looking for. So now the next step is to break through 10, guys. Tesla, I already told you at the beginning of the videos, they absolutely had great earnings. They did miss on one account, but I think overall, you're going to see this continue to move upward. Rivian, RIVN. Again, guys, same thing. There's most of the things on my watch list, to be honest with you, today have to do with EVs. That would be MULN as well. And guys, be careful with this because I'm going to be very honest with you. I firmly believe that vote from David Mitchery really should have caused the stock to tank. However, I do believe that shorts are running this up in order to tank it higher. So I'm not saying don't stay in it, don't get involved. I'm just giving you a warning that expect it to continue moving up, but at some point when it reaches where they feel comfortable, expect a massive short attack on it because the dilution potential is huge. All right, Shopify. If you follow me on Twitter, I called this out yesterday for a continuation because I missed the early move, but I liked how it was consolidating, and it most certainly pushed through 47. In fact, it got up through 48 at the beginning of the day. Then it had a little bit of a pullback, which is day traders selling out and is completely normal around 3:30. And then you saw it move again in the after hours. So I am watching this. I firmly believe it can break through 50 very soon. That's actually where I was targeting on that. And for, disclosure, I am in call contracts on this one. Okay, TAL. Guys, I firmly believe that anytime now this is going to break out. I pulled out the 1-year chart to see what was really going on. And, it's kind of hard to see on Robinhood. Their charts are not the best by any means. But I think you can get an idea that we have a wedge forming. And that wedge is going to end soon. And when it does, maybe we get a false breakdown followed by a rip up and finally start working on that gap fill to 1960. So I'm watching it because I know it's coming. All right, GameStop. Guys, tomorrow marks the anniversary of the GameStop and AMC squeeze. I chose GameStop because AMC has a lot of other things that I don't want to even get into. But I would not be surprised if we see another huge run in it tomorrow on its anniversary. I don't know why. I just have this suspicious feeling that's if you follow me, you know I said it, I even tweeted out earlier in the week, I feel like a massive squeeze market wide is coming. And I really do. And I feel that whatever that little weird halt thing was a couple of days ago, I think it has everything to do with it. So keep an eye out. All right, Express. Again, guys, some of these calls right now that I'm going to give you are plays that I think, if my thesis is correct, we could see huge moves because they squoze with GameStop and AMC at that time. So EXPR is on my radar, and surprise, surprise, it was also on the stock scanner this morning. BlackBerry was another one that shot up to $28. They have pulled this back so hard. I strongly feel that this could go at any time as well. Bayer, I called out yesterday morning in the watch list. Guys, this thing was like $9 and something cents when I called it out, and it is up to $31.99. Just absolutely huge move based on the news of their merger. TMC, this is my play of the year, guys, and I pulled up the 3-month chart because I really feel that we have now come down and we're making like an inverse head and shoulders here, even though the shoulders are kind of funky looking. It's not like your typical big hump, but if you look at the other side, that's how it is. So I strongly feel that anytime now TMC is going to come up, break the neck back above $1, and my next target once it breaks that $1 and something cents resistance would be in the $3 range. So keep it on your radar. I have really good feelings about TMC going forward. Mara, again, guys, I'm going to call out crypto. If it starts running again, you're going to see Mara, Riot, HUT, BKKT, BTCM, all of those start running. So, and if you want a penny one, I think it's DMGGF. So keep it on your radar, all of those. MULN, MULN. Oh, sorry, I already did that. I had it with the EVs. American Airlines, like I said at the beginning of the video, had earnings, absolutely killed it. They were already up at the time I took the screenshot, 5% at 17.10. Guys, I feel that they are going to strongly move to the upside today. SYRS, this is something that's been on my radar for a long time. You may have heard me mention it several months ago. After a reverse split, it had a small run, then it pulled back. I think you're going to start seeing a lot of these reverse split plays that kind of have gone dead come to life again. So keep it on your radar. Palantir. Palantir was one of the stocks involved in that hoax, and they've been beat down hard. And I believe that people either don't understand what Palantir is all about, or they just have lost sight of it because of it getting smashed down. But I believe it should be on everybody's radar, because I think Palantir is going to make a very, very, very strong move in the upcoming months to the upside. So don't say I didn't warn you. TCBP, again, another one that had a reverse split. This has a micro float. I seriously believe that if this starts getting trending, it could have a huge move to the upside. So it is on my radar. BZFD. All right, guys. Careful with this. They're bringing back news from a year ago. Is this it that I pulled up? Yeah. About meta splurges on BuzzFeed to tap budding content creator market. Now, then it comes up with this from news from a year ago. Deal between Meta and BuzzFeed reached last year is valued at close to 10 million, sources say. So it feels like they're trying to pump this for some reason. Doesn't mean you can't make money. Just be careful, because I'm not quite sure the full details of what's going on with that. And then, of course, TNXP, which we did see, as I suggested yesterday, a move back from that 104 up to 116. I'm watching it again today, guys. And GovX has been running as well. It did have a strong pullback. So if you missed out on the run, keep an eye on it, because it could run again today. But TNXP and GovX used to run together. So I was looking for a little bit stronger of a move when I heard GovX yesterday. Not sure if people just got bored and left the play, but keep an eye on it, because I do think you are going to see it move higher. All right, top gainers, UTRS. Please be careful with this, because I'm not sure what's going on. I did see they got a delisting notice, and I'm wondering if this is a pump. Not sure what that's about. Again, it could be nothing. They just need to appeal it. But again, I don't know. It could be everything. This could be getting delisted, and they could be trying to pump it to just get some money out of it before it does. So just be careful. MLGO, BZFD, Bayer, and XM. All right, top losers. ARDS. Ooh, they must not have. I think they had something coming with their drug. It must not have gotten FDA approval. OCUP, MGTA, IKT, and PBLA. Okay, most active. Guys, once again, ABEV is on this list. It seems like it hasn't moved that much. I swear they're either building a position or covering shorts because they're going to send it. Again, this has been on here for like a couple months. So how close are they to sending it? I have no idea, but you should have it on a watch list. SJI, PACB, this is another one that got beat down hard. Used to be trading around $40. I think it's a great company. I've been following it for the past 2 years. So keep an eye out. SIRI, SIRI, and Key. And our technical analysis top list, SJI, Key, CHS, GPK, FNB. And guys, please remember, do not chase stocks and feel free to start taking profits when things are on the way up. You know, everything has pullbacks. I don't want to see people losing money. I hate seeing that. Guys, you need to like figure out how you want to trade things. Are you in it for a swing trade? Are you in it for a quick run up? If so, when you see it start to pull back, take your profits. You can always buy it back. Even if you don't have a huge account, you're allowed 3 day trades in a week. Don't be afraid to take profits. And worst case scenario, you miss out, you still locked in gains. All right, that's all I got for today. Have a wonderful day.